Here's how to adjust the strap on both the nylon and convertible belt bags. The strap on both the nylon and convertible belt bags is removable and can adjust from 23 to 50 inches in length. To remove the strap from the bag, simply squeeze the black clip, pull back the metal tab, and release the clip from the nylon loop. To reattach, slide the clip back into the nylon loop and push the metal tab back in place. To adjust the strap and make the length shorter, grab the back of the nylon strap, pulling toward the buckle. Make sure to do this on both sides of the slider. Don't forget to pull the strap to make sure it's tight. To adjust the strap and make the length longer, you'll do the opposite. Pull the back of the nylon strap away from the buckle on both sides of the slider. And again, pulling your strap to make sure it's tight. To wear your bag, squeeze both sides of the quick release buckle to open the strap. Push both pieces back together, and that's it. Enjoy your bag!